Top 5 AI tools you should be using in 2025 and why they're game changers. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's reshaping the way we work, create, and communicate. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, content creator, or business owner, leveraging AI can save you time, boost creativity, and enhance productivity like never before. But with hundreds of AI tools popping up every day, which ones are actually worth using? Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools of 2025 that are dominating the industry and helping users maximize their potential. 1. ChatGPT-5, the smartest AI assistant ever. What it does. ChatGPT-5 is the most advanced conversational AI, capable of generating human-like responses, writing professional content, assisting with coding, and much more. Why it's important in 2025. Context awareness and accuracy. It understands and remembers context better than ever before. Multimodal capabilities. Now supports text, images, and even voice-based queries. Supercharged productivity. Can handle research, copywriting, coding, and brainstorming in seconds. How you can use it. Need an engaging blog post? Just give a topic, and ChatGPT-5 will draft it for you. Writing a YouTube script? It structures content and improves engagement. Stuck on a business idea? Use it as a brainstorming partner for innovative solutions. Need code debugging? It's like having a personal coding assistant. Why it's top-ranked. ChatGPT-5 has the most advanced AI model, outperforming older versions and competing AI assistants in speed, accuracy, and versatility. 2. Midjourney V6, AI image generation like never before. What it does. Midjourney V6 is an AI-powered image generator that turns simple text prompts into stunning, realistic, and artistic visuals. Why it's important in 2025. Unmatched visual quality. Produces hyper-realistic and professional-grade images. Perfect for creators and marketers. Social media posts, product designs, and digital art become effortless. Customizable art styles. You can now tweak specific details, making it better than stock photos. How you can use it. Graphic designers and artists. Generate unique illustrations with zero design skills. YouTubers and influencers. Create eye-catching thumbnails and social media posts. Business owners. Make custom product images instead of paying for stock photos. Writers and bloggers. Generate unique book covers and blog illustrations. Why it's top-ranked. Midjourney V6 outperforms competitors like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion in producing high-resolution, detailed, and visually appealing AI-generated art. 3. ElevenLabs, the best AI voice generator. What it does. ElevenLabs allows users to generate realistic, human-like voices in multiple languages and accents. It also has AI voice cloning capabilities. Why it's important in 2025. Lifelike AI voices. Sound so natural that it's hard to distinguish from a real human. Supports multiple languages. AI-generated voices in different tones, accents, and languages. Voice cloning. Create a digital version of your own voice for videos, audiobooks, and presentations. How you can use it. YouTubers and podcasters. Generate professional voiceovers without hiring a narrator. Audiobook creators. Convert text into high-quality audiobooks in any voice. Businesses and marketers. Make ad campaigns with AI-generated voice narrations. Educators. Use voice AI for e-learning modules and online courses. Why it's top-ranked. ElevenLabs leads the AI voice market with the most natural speech synthesis, outperforming Google's and Amazon's AI voices. 4. Runway ML, AI video editing that saves hours. What it does. Runway ML is an AI-powered video editing tool that makes creating and editing videos easier than ever. No professional skills required. Why it's important in 2025. AI-powered editing tools. Remove backgrounds without a green screen. Text-to-video feature. Describe a scene, and AI creates the video for you. Automatic special effects. AI can add VFX and animations effortlessly. How you can use it. Content creators. Automate video editing and add special effects in seconds. Social media marketers. Generate high-quality ads without hiring video editors. Businesses. Create explainer videos and promos quickly. Educators. Convert articles into engaging video lessons. Why it's top-ranked. Runway ML revolutionizes video editing by eliminating complex manual work, making high-quality video production accessible to everyone. 5. Notion AI. The smartest productivity tool. What it does. Notion AI helps with task management, note-taking, and automated content generation, making it the best all-in-one productivity tool. Why it's important in 2025. AI-powered organization. Automates scheduling, summaries, and writing. Boosts productivity. Saves time by structuring your tasks efficiently. Perfect for teams and individuals. Project tracking, collaboration, and documentation all in one place. How you can use it. Students and writers generate reports, summaries, and notes effortlessly. Business owners and professionals organize projects, meetings, and deadlines efficiently. Freelancers and entrepreneurs manage multiple tasks without stress. Content creators plan social media calendars with AI-powered insights. Why it's top-ranked. Notion AI surpasses competitors like Evernote and Trello by integrating AI automation into daily productivity workflows. Why you need these AI tools in 2025. Save time and work faster. Automate tasks that normally take hours. Boost creativity and productivity. AI enhances your workflow, whether you're writing, designing, or editing. Stay ahead of the competition. Those who master AI will dominate their industries. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more such videos.